Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Arin. Today we will solve IMO question paper 2024-25 set A for class 5. First section is logical reasoning. Question number 1. If all digits are removed from the given arrangement, then which of the following elements is exactly between fifth element from the left hand and fifth element from the right hand? So given arrangement is this one. We remove all the digits and rewrite it. So it will become VT 4 is removed at the rate K 7 is removed, hash GR 2 is removed, division J A 6 is removed, F $sign 3 is removed, and S. So now after removing we have this arrangement. Now let's calculate the fifth element from the left hand and fifth element from the right hand. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. From here first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So exactly in the middle is R. So our answer is option B, R. Question number 2. The given clock shows the time at which the class test started in the morning. If the class test ended at 1:20 p.m., then what was the duration of the test? So at what time the class test started? It is 11:35 and it's ended at 1:20 p.m. So we need to subtract 11:35 from the 1:20. So 11:35 to 12:35 is 1 hour, and then 12:35 to 1 is 25 minutes and another 20 minutes, so it will be 45 minutes. So 1 hour 45 minutes is our answer, which is option C. Question number 3. Select the odd one out. Now let's start from option A. Here the top is here, then is rotated right side clockwise, again clockwise, again clockwise. Now let's see in option B. It's here, rotated clockwise, clockwise, then again clockwise. Here clockwise rotation, clockwise rotation, clockwise rotation. Here it's anti-clockwise rotation. Here also anti-clockwise, here also. So all are following the clockwise rotation, only D is rotating anti-clockwise. So odd one out is option D. Question number 4. In a certain code language, if smart is written as AMRST, then how will value be written in the same code language? So smart is written as AMRST. So if you notice, these all letters are in the ascending order. So if we put value, so in the value A will come first, and then in the ascending order E will come, then L will come, then U, and then V. So our answer is option B. Question number 5. Find the number of triangles formed in the given figure. Now let's count the triangle. So here first triangle, this one is second triangle, this one is third triangle, this one is fourth triangle, this one is fifth triangle, then this one will be sixth triangle, this whole will be seventh triangle, and this will be the eighth triangle. So there are 8 triangles in this given figure. So our answer is option A, 8. Question number 6. Pointing towards Alok, a man said, "He is the brother of my only daughter." How is the man related to Alok? So he said he is the brother of my only daughter. So he is relating that boy with his daughter, and the boy is the brother. So he is the son of that person. So Alok is the son of that person, and that person, man, is the father of Alok. So our answer is option A, father. Question number 7. Arrange the given words as they occur in a dictionary and select the correct option. So let's arrange it in the ascending order. Which will come first? So here O, first letter is same everywhere, so let's check the second letter. It's O, I, O, A and E. So A will come at the first, so marine. Then E will come, so metal. Then I will come, then mine. Now motive and movie is having O at the same space. Now let's check the third alphabet. So we have T and V. T comes before V, so motive will come first and then it will come movie. So arrangement is 3, 5, 2, 1, 4, which is option B. So our answer is option B. Question number 8. Find the missing figure in the given figure matrix. So let's see the row wise. Here we have triangle and there are 3 dots. If you observe the second figure, the triangle is flipped along the vertical axis and 1 dot is increased. Then in the third figure is again flipped around the vertical axis and 1 more dot increase. So here also it flip and increases to now previously 1 dot, now 2 dot, now again flip, now having 3 dot. So here the same pattern will continue. It will flip and increase 1 dot. Again it will flip, increase 1 dot. So it will be facing this direction with the 3 dots in all the sides. So our answer will be option D. Question number 9. Select the correct mirror image of the given combination of letters. So let's try to draw the mirror image of this figure. So let's see here. 7 will be like this and then G will be like this and 1 will be, instead of bending here, it will be like this. A will remain mostly the same. Then 2 will be like this and B will be like this. So if you see, this figure is matches with the option C. So our answer is option C. Question number 10. If the day before yesterday was Wednesday, then what will be the 6th day from tomorrow? So day before yesterday. So day before yesterday was Wednesday. So yesterday was Thursday and today is Friday. Now we have to calculate 6th day from the tomorrow. So tomorrow will be the first day, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So if today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday, then second day is Sunday, then third day Monday, fourth is Tuesday, fifth is Wednesday and sixth is Thursday. So 6th day from tomorrow will be Thursday. So our answer is option C. Question number 11. Which of the following option will be obtained after rotating the given figure 3 1/4 turn to the right? So 3 turn means a whole circle. So it will come in the same position. After one circle again it will be facing this position. After second also, after third also. Now 1/4 turn is 90-degree angle. So it will rotate towards the facing the bottom direction. So it will be like this. So our answer is option D. Question number 12. Which of the following points is in the northwest of point J? So here is the point J. Let's take it as origin. So this direction will show north, this will show south, this will show east and this will show west. I have drawn it here. So now it has asked which points are in the northwest direction. So north is this, west is this. So Y and Q both will be in the northwest direction of the point J. So answer is both A and C. Question number 14. How many different possible combinations of one teacher and one subject each can be formed from the given teachers and subjects? So there are 5 teachers and 4 subsets. So combinations will be 5 times 4, which is 20. So our answer is option A, 20. Question number 50. There is a certain relationship between the pair of terms on the either side of double colon. Identify the relationship on the left pair and find the missing term. So here if you see, t plus 4 will be x and 4 plus 4 will be 8. Now m plus 4 equals to q. So similarly e plus 4 will be I, 2 plus 4 will be 6 and v plus 4 will be z. So our answer will be I6z, which is option C. Question number 16. Which of the following is equivalent to 3 by 5? So in option A we have 81 divided by 125. So 81 is divisible by 3 or 9 and 125 is divisible by 5. So we cannot cut anything. So it will remain same. Now let's see 70 and 625. So both are divisible by 5. So we can cut and get 14 by 125. Now let's see option C. 27, 125. We cannot cut it. Now let's see option D. 75, 125. So 25 times 3 75 and 20 by 5 times 5 will be 125. So it will come 3 by 5. So our answer is option D, 75 divided by 125. Question number 70. The number name for the number shown on the given abacus in International System of Numeration is. So it is 7,26,412. So our answer is option A. Question number 18. Tank A contains 5 times as much water as tank B. How much water must be transferred from tank A to tank B so that each contains 45 liters of water? So let's try to write down an equation. So let's say tank A contains A amount of water and tank B contains B amount of water. So first thing is given A equals to 5B. And second thing is given when they transfer the water, each contains 45 liter of water. So total amount is 90 liter of water. So A plus B will be 90 liters. Now we can replace the value of A from here. It is equals to 5B. So we get 6B equals to 90 liter. So B equals to 15 liter. So initially B is having 15 liter of water. So how much more water will be required for B to make it 45? It is 30 liter. So tank A should transfer 30 liter of water in tank B to make it 45 liter. So our answer is option A, 30 liter. Question number 20. The given clock shows the time at which a train started its journey in the evening. After covering 25 minutes of journey, it stopped for 15 minutes at the next station. Now it takes another 45 minutes to reach its destination. Then at what time it will reach the destination? So train started at 7:15. Now let's add all the time which it took stop and taking time for the journey. So 7:15 p.m. because it started in the evening. Now add 25 minutes in it because it covers 25 minutes of journey. Then it took a stop for 15 minutes. Then add another 15 minutes. And now it takes another 45 minutes to reach destination. So add 45 minutes. So 25 minutes plus 15 plus 45 minutes will be 85 minutes, or we can say 1 hour 25 minutes. So we will add 1 hour here. So it will be 8 and then 25 minutes will be added into 15. So it will be 8:40 p.m. So our answer is option D. Question number 19. The smaller angle formed between the hands of the given clock is A/N blank. So this is the smaller angle and this one is the big angle. So if you notice, this smaller angle is more than 90. So 90 is this much. So it is more than 90 and it is less than 180. So the angle between which is more than 90 and less than 180 is called obtuse angle. So our answer is option C. Question number 20. Find the area of the shaded part of the given figure. So here we can see sides is given 4 meter, 4 meter. So we can easily calculate the area of one square, which is 16 square meter. So let's count the here number of squares. So full squares are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be 1, 9. Then this is also 1, 10. This is also 1, 11. So 11 squares are shaded. So 11 times 4 meter times 4 meter will be the area of the shaded part, which is 176 square meter. So our answer is option D. Question number 21. Which of the following are true about the number 30? So it has three prime factors. So let's see the factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So 2, 3 and 5. These all three are prime numbers. So this first statement is true. Now let's see the second statement. It is a common multiple of 8 and 15. So common multiple of 8 and 15 is 120. So this is not true. Now let's see the third statement. The sum of all factors of 30 is 72. So let's add all this thing, we get 72. So A and C is correct statement. So our answer will be both A and C. Question number 22. Which of the following is the smallest? So let's see the option one by one. A. 800 and 7 tenths. So 800 plus 7 divided by 10, which is 0.7. So it will be 800.7. Now 5 tenths 50 and 15th 100. So 15 divided by 100, which is 0.15. So it will be 50.15. Now let's see option C. 700. So then 9 tenths. So it will be 0.9. And 2 hundredths. So it will be 2 divided by 100, which is 0.02. So 0.9 plus 0.02 is 0.92 plus 700. So 700.92. Now let's see option D. 70 tenths. So it will be 700 and 7 hundredths. So 7 divided by 100, which is 0.07. So among this, the smallest is option B. So our answer is option B. Question number 23. Which of the following options shows the temperature 23 degrees centigrade more than the temperature shown on the given thermometer? So the temperature given on the thermometer is 38 degrees centigrade and 23 more than this temperature will be 61 degrees centigrade. So our answer is option D. Question number 24. Find the difference between the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number formed by using the digit 3, 5, 2 and 9 using each digit at least once. So the greatest number will be 99532 and the smallest 5-digit number will be 22359 and the difference between these two will be 77,173, which is option C. Directions for question number 25 and 26. The given bar graph shows the number of gifts distributed by a company to its employee during the given 5 years. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. So, question number 25. How many total gifts were distributed in the years 2016, 18 and 19 together? So, 16 is 450. 218 is in between 450 and 600, so it should be 525. Now 2019 is 750. So let's add all three, we will get 1725, which is option A. Now let's see the question number 26. The maximum number of gates was distributed in and minimum in. So maximum number of gates were distributed in 2019 and minimum is in 2016. So our answer is option D. Question number 27. How many of the following letters have at least 2 lines of symmetry? Now let's see the line of symmetry in the word. So S is not having any line of symmetry, P is not having any line of symmetry, I is having two line of symmetry, one is vertical and one is horizontal. D is having horizontal line of symmetry, E is also having horizontal line of symmetry, R is not having any line of symmetry. So only P is there, I is there, which is having two lines of symmetry. So our answer is option B, 1. Question number 28. Compare and fill the box using greater than, less than or equal. So these are Roman numerals. Let's calculate their value. So M is 1000, those 2M is 2000. CM is 1000 minus 100 because C is before M, so it will be 900. Now L is 50 and IX is 9. So let's calculate the total value. It will be 2959. Now let's calculate the value on the right hand side. 2M, which is 2000, D is 500, C is 100, L is 50, X is 10 and IV is 4. So this is 2664. So 2959 is greater than 2664. So our answer is option A, greater than. Question number 29. Find the perimeter of the given figure not drawn to scale. So here some lines are missing. So first we need to calculate the length of those lines. So let's say this line here, it is missing. So the value of this line will be 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. So total is 6 centimeter. Now the value of this line is also missing. So let's see what will be the height of here. So we can calculate the remaining height. So first is go 3 down up, then is go 1 up. So it will be 4. Now 2 meter down. So it will be 2. And total height is 6. So 6 minus 2 will be 4 centimeter. So length of this side will be 4 centimeter. Now let's calculate the perimeter. So it will be 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6. So total value is 28 centimeter, which is option B. Question number 30. What must be added to the sum of 5 5 by 11 and 3 2 by 33 to get 10 1 by 11? So we add this 2 and subtract from this, we will get the value. So 10 1 by 11 minus 5 5 by 11 plus 3 2 by 33. So now we calculate the value here. 10 times 11 plus 1, 111 divided by 11. Here 55 plus 5, which is 60 by 11. Then 33 times 3, 99 plus 2, 101 times 33. Now let's take the LCM here. We get 180 plus 101. Then finally we will get this value 52 divided by 33. And if we write it down, we can write it down like that, 119 divided by 33. So our answer is option A. Question number 31. Which of the following figure does not have any line of symmetry? So I have drawn the line of symmetry in the figure, but this figure is not having any line of symmetry. So our answer is option B. Question number 32. Round off the number 86,258 to the nearest thousands place. Find the digit at hundreds place in the new number obtained. So when we round off this number to the nearest thousand. So this is 86,258. 258 is less than 500. So it will be 86,000. And we need to find the digit at the 100 place. So 100 place digit will be 0. So our answer is option B, 0. Question number 33. The highest common factor of 75 and 600 is. So if we see 75 times 8 equals to 600. So common factor is 75. So our answer is option C, 75. Question number 34. How many right angles are they are inside the given figure. So let's see how many are there. So we can see this one is inside the figure. Here another one inside the figure. Here this is also right angle inside the figure. So if you see here, these both angles are here outside the figure. So we have 3 right angles inside the figure. So our answer is option B, 3. Question number 35. The given clock shows the time at which a play started and ended in the evening. Find the duration of the play. So start time is, this is 6:45 and the end time is 8:10. So 8:10 minus 6:45 equals to 1 hour 25 minutes. So our answer is option B. Now we are in everyday mathematics section. Question number 36. The population of a country in 2012 was 2 crore 15 lakh 68,206. By year 2022 it was increased to 2 crore 60 lakh 75,125. By how much did the population of the country increase in 10 years? So we need to subtract the population in 2012 from the population in 2022. So after subtraction we will get this one, which is same as option D. Question number 37. Manish took 12 minutes 30 seconds to run around a 800-meter track. Raghav took 13 minutes 45 seconds to run around the same track. How much less time did Manish take to run around the track than Raghav? So 13 minutes 45 seconds minus 12 minutes 30 seconds. So it will be 1 minute 15 seconds. So our answer is option B. Question number 38. Hemant bought 18 necklaces. If the number of beads in each necklace is 375, then find the total number of beads in all the necklaces. So we need to multiply 375 times 18. So 375 times 10 plus 375 times 8, we will get this number. So this is 6750. So our answer is option D. Question number 39. Kritika bought 5 laptops and 2 printers for her office. If one laptop and one printer cost rupees 37,500 and rupees 5,250 respectively, then how much the total money did she spend in all? So 5 laptops is 5 times 37,500 plus 2 printer 2 times 5,250. So the total cost will be here. So it is 1,98,000, which is option C. Question number 40. Divya cuts off 4 squares from each of the rectangular piece of the cardboard as shown below. The area of the each small square that she cuts off is 4 square centimeter. What is the remaining area of the cardboard? So first we calculate the area of the whole cardboard and then subtract the area of these 4 squares. And 1 square area is 4 square centimeter. And the total area will be 16 centimeter times 10 centimeter. And then we will subtract 4 times 4 square centimeter. So let's do it here. 16 times 10 minus 4 times 4, which is equals to 144 square centimeter, which is option C. Question number 41. If 3 friends Sakshi, Varun and Devji had this marbles respectively, then who has maximum number of marbles? So this is given in the Roman. Let's calculate their numeric value. So Sakshi is having DCC VII. So D is 500, C is 100, 2 times C 200, V is 5, I is 1, 2 times I 2. So total is 707. Varun is having CM XL IA. So CM is 1000 minus 100, which is 900. XL is 50 minus 10, which is 40, and I is 1, so 2 times I is 2. So total is 942. Now Devji is MCLIV. So M is 1000, C is 100, L is 50, and IV is 4. So 1154. So Devji is having maximum number of marbles. So our answer is option B. Question number 42. Out of group of 48 people, if 15 went for boating, 21 went for shopping and rest of them went for watching movie, then what fraction of the total people went for watching movie? So number of people went for watching movie is 48 minus 15 minus 21. So we will get 12. And total people are 48. So divide by 48. So 1 by 4 of the people went for watching movie. So our answer is option A, 1 by 4. Question number 43. A tea kettle holds 1 liter 625 milliliter of tea. If a small teacup of capacity 125 ml is used to serve one person, then for how many people tea can be served? So how much tea we have? This is 1625 milliliter. If we divide the capacity of the cup to this, we will get the number of people. So 1625 ml divided by 125 ml will be 13. So we can serve 13 people. So our answer is option C, 13. Question number 44. Amisha wants to put lace around 10 triangular shaped cushions. The side of each cushion measure 50 cm, 50 cm and 80 cm. Find the total cost of lace used if 1 cm of lace costs rupees 7.50. Now first calculate how much lace is required to make the 10 triangular shape cushion. So, and the shape of perimeter of one cushion is 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter plus 80 centimeter. So we add all these three perimeter and then multiply it by 10. So we get the lace required. So 10 times 50 plus 50 plus 80, which is 1800 centimeter. Now 1 centimeter costs rupees 7.50. So 1800 centimeter will be 1800 times 7.5. So it is 13,500 rupees is required. So our answer is option B. Question number 45. Sahil has two bags of wheat, 14.259 kg and 35.608 kg. He was asked to add the two quantities, but instead of adding, he subtracted the two quantities. Find the difference between the correct and the incorrect answer. So correct answer will be when we add these two. So after adding these two, we will get 49.867 kg. And after subtraction we will get 21.349 kg. Now we need to find the difference between these two quantity. So difference of these two will be 28.518 kg, which is option C. Now we are in achievers section. Question number 46. Read the given statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. The sum of CCLXXIV, CDXXIII and the MMCXVII when rounded off each number to the nearest 100 places 2900. Let's first calculate their numeric value, then round off each number and then add. So let's do it. CC is 200, L is 50, X is 10, so XS is 20 and IV is 4. So total is 274. Now CD is 400 because 500 minus 100 equals to 400. Then XS is 20 and III is 3. So 423. Now MM is 2000, C is 100, X is 10 and VII is 5 and 2. So it will be 2117. And now round off each. So 274 will be 300, 423 will be 400, 2117 will be 2100. So total will be 2800. So this statement is false. Now let's check the second statement. The number 62,579 when divided by 37 give quotient 1691 and remainder as 17. So when we divide it, we get the quotient as 1691 but the remainder is 12. So this statement is also false. So both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. So our answer is option B. Question number 47. The given line graph shows the number of watermelons transported to 5 different cities in a week. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. First, find the difference between the total number of watermelons transported to cities P and R together and the number of watermelons transported to city T. So P and R together, first P will be 1250, R is 2000, and then we have to find now last T, which is 750 because it's in the middle of 500 and 1000. So we get the value of 2500. Now let's see the second. If the transportation cost of every 50 watermelons is rupees 125, then find the total cost of transporting all the watermelon. So let's first calculate the total number of watermelons. So it will be 1250 plus 2500 plus 2000 plus 1500 plus 750. Now to calculate the costs, first we calculate the cost of transporting one watermelon. So 50 cost rupees 125. So one watermelon cost will be rupees 125 divided by 50. And then we multiply this to the total number of watermelon. So we get rupees 20,000. So our answer is 2,500 and rupees 20,000, which is option C. Question number 48. Read the given statement carefully and state T for true and F for false. 1. The number of lines of symmetry in a rectangle is 2. So rectangle is having vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. So this statement is true. Now second, in the given word there are only two letters which have exactly one line of symmetry. So here if you see, K is not having any line of symmetry, I is having two line of symmetry, T is having one line of symmetry, and E is also having one line of symmetry. So T and E are the two letters which is having one line of symmetry. So this statement is true. Now let's see the figure 3. Statement 3. The figure has two lines of symmetry. So this is false because this is having only vertical line of symmetry. So we have this is as true, this as true, and this is false. So our answer is true, true, false, which is option D. Question number 49. Observe the given figure carefully, fill in the blanks and select the correct option. So first is there is /r blank pairs of parallel lines. So we can see Q and M are parallel and O and R are parallel. So there are two pairs of parallel lines. So let's write down here 2. Now there are the number of pair of perpendicular line is blank. So we need to calculate the two lines which is making a perpendicular. So you can see Q is perpendicular to O and R. M is also perpendicular to O and R. So there are 4 pairs of perpendicular lines. So if you see N and P, these are not, this is more than 90 degree. It's not exactly 90. So it is not perpendicular line. So there are 4 pairs of perpendicular lines. So we can write it down here 4. Now let's see the option 3. There are blank pairs of intersecting line. So now I have written here pair of intersecting line. So let's see here, O and M are intersecting, O and N are intersecting, then O and Q and O and P. Now let's see for the R will be the same, R and M, R and N, R and P, and R and Q. Now let's see for the P. So P is intersecting with Q as well as N. Now let's check for the Q. Q is also intersecting with the N, and now for M we can see it is intersecting with the N. So there are 4, 4, 8 and 4, 12. 12 intersecting pairs of lines. So here it is 12. So our answer is 2, 4 and 12, which is option A. Question number 50. Which of the following options is incorrect? So let's see option A. The sum of place value of all the digits of number this is 31. Now when we add the place value, we will get the same number. So this statement is false. Now let's see B. The number name for the smallest 5-digit number formed by using the digits 7029, use each digit at least once, is 20,079. So the number will be, smallest 5-digit number will be 20079, which is 20,079. So this statement is true. Let's see option C. The number, these are arranged in ascending order. So if you see here 75, here 98 and here 82. So this will come in the middle. So these are not in the ascending order. So this statement is false. So we have both A and C false. So our answer will be option D.
Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.